It's January 18th, National Maintenance Day. Let's change the shoes and the shave plate on my 24-inch Troy-Bilt snowblower. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Here in Michigan, we really haven't gotten our normal snowfalls that we're used to. Today was one of those exceptions. We got a really heavy snow. In fact, I think I hear rain now hitting outside after getting about 6 or 7 inches of snow. It's a really heavy, dense snow. They call it heart attack snow. Definitely a good time to have a snowblower. The snowblower I'm working on right now, I've had about 13 years. It's had some wear and tear. I've gone through a number of maintenance cycles where I've replaced the shave plate and the skid shoes. These are definitely wear items. Metal against concrete or asphalt or gravel, it just wears down over time. I've learned to just go to MTD directly. I've often found if you spend a certain amount, they give you free shipping. If you have a coupon code, you might get $5 or $10 off. Before I start maintenance, I pull the spark plug wire from the spark plug and I chuck the wheels just to keep it from rolling around. And I like to prop it up so I can get to the shave plate and the shoes a little easier. So I'm using a 1/2 inch. I'll often buy another set of those bolts as well and the nuts. The ones on the shave plate definitely wear down. You can see what happens to those over time. It just wears them right out. To get to that shave plate, I like to tilt this back even more. So I usually take one of those wheel chucks, put it underneath the handle so it goes back, just to where it'll touch that. That way I can get underneath here. You don't even need a wrench. Let the squared off shoulder hold it from twisting. You'll notice there's like a little bit of a lip where this goes all along here. So I just make sure that the shave plate gets in between those. So I'll go get the new one now. I want that shoe to be able to move. I take a thin sheet of metal or even a piece of cardboard, put it underneath the shave plate. I don't want it so long that it gets under the shoe. That way, when I adjust the shoes down, just the slightest gap, this gives it a little chance just to kind of sit up just a little bit, but yet still get the bulk of the snow. Puts a little more life on the shave plate. I'm going to push it down and tighten these up. Same thing over here. This is free floating. Just trying to push it down. After I replace the shave plate and the skid shoes on my snowblower, I try to order replacements that day or at least within the week. Come 2 or 3 seasons from now, when this shave plate and these shoes have worn out and I get a surprise blizzard, you want to make sure you stay ahead of the game, keep your replacement parts, because when you need them, you need them.